to make over my bedroom and make it look like this. Okay, mix with this and a little sprinkle of this. I must warn you, what I'm about to show you is disgusting because it's the before. No, sorry, we all had to see that. Anyway, back to this. A DIY and upcycle, and the first step is these curtains. Look at her. We love her. We love this moment. What in the... Oh no, honey. We are not... No. DIY. These are the random supplies that I'm about to turn into that curtain rod. And I'll be using these too. Hardware store cut this pipe to 3 inches for me, ×2. Then I just sanded the edges till it was smooth. Next, I'm going to take this modeling clay, stuff it inside, push it down in there so it looks like that. Take half of a toilet paper roll and stick it in. Add more modeling clay on top. Now just let them dry. Once they're dry, you can use toothpaste to fill in any gap. Make 2 rectangles out of the clay, cut a hole. Put my hook through and I'm going to press down to make that imprint on the back. Grab a wedge eraser, cut it into a square, then cut a slit in the middle. Next, I took these right over to my dad's house where he helped me flatten them and then drill a hole. Hot glue on a little bumper. We prime. Here are my curtains. Here's the before. And here's the after. Look at her. That little eraser is living her best life. Follow along to watch me transform the whole room.